Open it up. This box in particular is some goodies from Perrin. And there's one specific piece in here that I really want to share with you guys in this video. It's this one here. We'll save the rest for later. Right guys, so what's in this box is the major component from the install that I'm going to be doing that's going to require the car to be pro-tuned after the fact. I can't go and just pop this in my WRX right now and go driving without getting it tuned afterwards, but I still wanted to unbox it and share with you guys what's inside. So as you can kind of see, these are TGV Deletes from Perrin. And if you haven't seen these before or you're not familiar with them, they essentially go on top of the intake tract and allow for like a higher volume or increased airflow to the engine there, and basically it just gives you more power and a better throttle response. But when you're changing anything to do with like air or fuel or anything like that, that's when you really need to get your car retuned or pro-tuned. And getting these in, I think the best route forward is going to be to get a proper pro-tune. So these are Perrin's TGV Deletes, and they just look and feel really, really nice. The quality of them is really nice, and the logo there just looks really subtle and adds some contrast to it. But I'm looking forward to getting these installed on the WRX. It's a mod that I've wanted to do for quite a while now, and just overall, once I put this in combination with the other parts that I'm going to be doing with this setup, it should really make a difference in the WRX, and I'm excited to share with you guys kind of the process of that, what it looks like, what it feels like after the fact, and giving you guys some of that feedback from my own perspective. So just holding the TGV Deletes from Perrin here, as with all of the Perrin parts that I have thus far on my WRX, it just feels like good workmanship goes in behind the product. It feels nice, it looks nice, it doesn't feel cheap, it doesn't feel plastic, and I'm really looking forward to putting this in my WRX and sharing with you guys the process and the before and after thoughts of what difference I notice, especially once it's pro-tuned. Like, that's gonna make such a difference. It's something that has been on my list for such a long time. I've wanted to get the car pro-tuned honestly since over a year ago, shortly after I put the MAP tune on the car. I get asked all the time if I'm still liking that tune, and the short answer and the TLDR is no, I'm not loving that tune, and I haven't been for quite a long time. I'll save that for maybe another video if I ever want to go into the explanations as to why. There's quite an extensive bit of reasoning behind that, but I'm really looking forward to getting the car pro-tuned, getting these installed, getting the rest of what's in that package installed. Then the car's gonna be, I'm thinking, like a completely different car. And then we're gonna take it out to autocross, really enjoy the car, not baby it, not leave it in the garage all winter, anything like that. I drive this car all the time, so I'm pretty stoked to see what's next. If you guys are interested in checking out more information on the Perrin TGV Deletes, I'll have a link down below in the description specific to them through my channel link. So if you want to check them out, I'd be thankful if you check out the link down below. If you guys have any questions or anything, feel free to leave a comment down below on this video. If you enjoyed the video, I'd be super thankful if you gave it a thumbs up. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day or night, whatever it is where you are.